Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and in today's video we are gonna talk about some cars that get ADAS features in under 20 lakh rupees in the Indian market. So let's quickly begin this video. Now first let us understand what does ADAS stands for. Now ADAS is the Advanced Driver Assistance System and it is technically a built-in system that helps the driver operate the vehicle in a much more safe manner. Now according to the study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, it has estimated over 94% of serious car accident that has been caused by human error. So that is where ADAS comes in place, and obviously it helps you drive your car in a much more safer manner. Now let's start the list, and in number 1 we have the Honda Amaze. Now the newly launched Honda Amaze is the first and it is the only subcompact sedan in the Indian market to get ADAS features. If you talk about the pricing of this car, it is priced at upwards of rupees 8 lakh rupees. And if you talk about some ADAS features, well, it gets adaptive cruise control, it gets lane keep assist, and obviously automatic emergency braking, and also it gets a few other features such as 6 airbags as standard, traction control, hill roll assist, and all of that. So yeah, the Honda Amaze is number 1 on this list because it is the most affordable car that has ADAS with it. Now number 2 we have the MG Astor. Now when launched, the MG Astor was the first model in its class to offer the level 2 ADAS in the country. The mid-size SUV obviously is currently available right now also in the market. Price starts at rupees 10.82 lakh ex-showroom, and this gets 14 features in the level 2 ADAS. And if you talk about some features, you have lane departure warning, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, front collision prevention, and auto emergency braking. Obviously you have some other features to the ADAS. Well, now number 3 we have the Honda City. Now Honda City launched the ADAS tech with the hybrid version of the Honda City, that is the EHEV, and now the petrol variants also get ADAS as well. So the Honda City is available in 5 different variants. If you name the variants are SV, V, Elegant Edition, VX and ZX, and all the variants above the V get ADAS features. And the price for this vehicle starts at rupees 11.63 lakh ex-showroom. And if we talk a little bit about the ADAS features, it gets adaptive cruise control, it gets lane keep assist, obviously auto emergency braking, and it also has automatic headlights as well. Now on number 4 we have the Hyundai Verna. Now the Hyundai Verna, the latest generation one, was launched 2 years back, and if we talk about the price of this sedan starts at rupees 11 lakh rupees ex-showroom. And the new Hyundai Verna also comes with Hyundai's Smart Sense Level 2 ADAS tech. Now this tech obviously includes front collision assist, blind spot assist, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, rear cross assist, lead vehicle departure, and many more ADAS features. Now number 5 we have the Honda Elevate, and if you talk about the price of this car, now this mid-size SUV carries a starting price of rupees 11 lakh ex-showroom. If you talk about the variants, it has 4 variants, that is SV, V, VX and ZX, and the top trim of the Elevate comes equipped with Honda Sensing, that is ADAS. Honda likes to call it the Honda Sensing, and obviously you have a lot of features included in that, starting off with the collision mitigation braking system, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, auto high beam, lead car departure, and road departure mitigation system. Now number 6 we have the Kia Seltos. One of the most popular SUVs is the Kia Seltos, and obviously it has also received a facelift. If we talk about the price of the vehicle, price starts at rupees 11 lakh, goes up to 20.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and obviously this also gets level 2 ADAS. Now the ADAS features include smart cruise control, front collision avoidance assistance, lane keep assist, blind spot collision warning, lane departure warning, high beam assist, rear cross traffic alert, and many more such features. Number 7 we have the Hyundai Venue. Now the Hyundai Venue became India's first compact SUV in the segment that had ADAS tech. Now the price for this compact SUV starts at rupees 10.32 lakh, and obviously it gets level 2 ADAS, and the ADAS gets front collision warning and avoidance assist, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, driver attention warning, lane follow assist, high beam assist, and leading vehicle departure feature alert. So these are some cars in the Indian market that get ADAS under 20 lakh rupees. Obviously there are many more cars, so there will be a part 2 of this video where we'll be covering other cars that have ADAS in the Indian market. And if you need to know anything else about these cars, please mention down in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. Until then, I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.